Hi, I am teacher Peter from the Philippines. I have a bachelor's degree in English. I am a certified online English teacher with TEFL and TESOL certificates. I have been teaching English both online and offline for almost 11 years. I teach Asian and European learners from kids to adults. My specialization includes grammar, pronunciation, critical analysis, and conversational English. In my class, I make sure that my students are having fun while learning. I sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I dance. And I use toys to motivate them. I also make sure that my classes are interactive, interesting, and engaging. So, what are you waiting for? Book a class now. Goodbye.